All right, this video is going to be how to replace a battery in a Honda EU3000 for electric start. Starting off with 10 millimeters, just going to hit these 4 bolts. Just take the cover off. And the battery's right here, so all you got to do is unbolt these battery terminals. As you can see, that's a 10. Now that we got the positive, we're going to do the negative. So both are disconnected. Unhook it, hook the strap. Now the battery will just come on out. Just be careful not to allow the terminals to touch any metal. You don't want it to short out. So the battery's out. Otherwise, you would have to take this panel here off, but I don't normally do that. I just take them out like that. So this is my new battery. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Ow. Strap it. That way it's in place. It's not moving around. Now I can put my terminals on. Just basically put your block in behind the terminal here. And then once you do that, screw it in. You might want to make sure that it's actually going in straight before you put any force on it. Sometimes you have to put a screwdriver behind it to get it to go straight. Be careful doing this on the positive side, because on the positive side, you could short it out. But I'm on the negative side, so it's no big deal. Now that we got it started, we'll run it up. Same thing on our positive side. Take a little bolt, slide it in, just like that. Then start your screw. If you can, you may not have to guide it. You may have to guide it. When you put your wire in first, obviously. Again, be very careful. This is a hot battery. It can short out. If it doesn't feel right, back it out. Start it all over again. Okay, now put our battery terminal back on. Terminal cover back on. And that's it. All right, so this is interesting. I'm not sure what happened here, but it looks like the starter, the wire for some reason was cut or something, or stripped back. So I just tied it together there, and now I'm going to use these heat shrink tubings on that, and we're gonna put it back together. So now I'm using a butt splice and a heat shrink tube. Both of them can be heat shrinked. Now we're going to put it back together. All right, now that everything is connected, we can go ahead and start it up. So now it works with the electric start.